Hi everybody, this is Shiva. Today I would like to explain concept of inline functions. First of all, before entering into the topic of inline functions, first of all, what is the inline functions? Then what is the need of inline functions in our programming environment? Already functions are there. Then what is the need of inline functions? Yeah, just see what is the need of inline functions. Before going to the inline function, just a small example of functions. First of all, consider this example. Here you will see, first of all, what happened here. One small function is there, that is for calculating square root of the number. Here what happened, we are declaring two variables and pass that variables in a calling function of square. After that, this is passing to called function. Whenever we passing the value calling from calling function to called function, what happened, we are updating the registers and stacks and all those things. That is the problem we face here. That's why we use inline functions. Then what happened, copying the value from this function to this function and initializing the registers and stacks. This is more overhead. That's why, because of reducing this overhead, we introduce the inline functions. Then what is the inline function? First of all, okay, what is inline function? C++ has a different solution for this problem. To eliminate the cost of calls of small functions, C++ provide a new feature called inline function. An inline function is a function that expanded in a line when it is invoked. That means what happened, whenever we are having a small functions which are having one line of code, at the time it is very useful. Now if one line of code, we were having just one line of code and updating all the registers and stacks means it is a waste of time. At the time we use inline functions. Yeah, function is inline. The compiler in that functions, what happened in the previous example, if we see, whenever compiler comes to calling function, it goes to called function. That means what? Goes to the called function and placing this x value into placing this x value into this x value and calculating this and initializing it to y and return y, and it's taking this value. It's a waste of time. That's why we are using inline functions. Yeah, this is a syntax for inline function body. Just see sample program. Just you see this sample program. Yeah. Here you will see just nothing is there. Inline functions and other functions are same. Yeah, see, this is a small program. Yeah. Next, what happened, the sample program. And disadvantage means, if it is one line and two lines means it's okay, but if it's more means, if it's more, it's having more number of lines. At the time what happened, whenever calling function is there means it's copy that total called function code into the calling function, but innerly. At the time what, programming complexity increasing and programming size will be increasing. Yes or no? Whenever we calling the particular function, go there and executing it means is very simple, but creating the one duplicate copy and duplicate copy of definition for that, not duplicate copy of for definition, just copying that definition here to here means what happened, this is a waste of time. That's why. Thank you very much.